Good morning, everyone. Today, July 27, 2022, Wednesday. All on the map, we can see there's a lot of risks going on, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google. This big tech company is start going that really, really bad because it get affected by the sectors like NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. All of them went down. Is so far pretty high. So then the oil energy is start went down too. Especially today's healthcare is going up again because it's involved in the big game from the donkey dose. That's why. These games keep moving again and again. We understand that and we know it. It's not involved in that game. Just stay away from that game. It's good. So we can tell now the food price went up. Like sugar, coffee, soybean, wheat, corn, those gain a little bit. So especially gold and silver went up. Natural gas went down, especially crude oil. That's around $1 up. It's not too bad. So S&P 500 a little up this morning. Dow Jones a little bit up, and Nasdaq a little bit up. So that's the important thing. Good morning, traders. Again, is stock news. We are reporting from Omaha, Nebraska. So it's 7 a.m. Central Time. U.S. dollars went down 106.88. Shell Energy is up 95.9, sometime 96.02, 96.05. You know, the energy price, like crude oil, like never stay in the same spot. Even though the market out there closed, you don't see the number, but we got a lot of software right now. We can track all the oil price, gold price, and U.S. dollars, all the currencies, and financial indicator and goals. So indicate is up a little bit, 158.6. That means the stock going to be up for today. So what do we need to know? Like S&P 500 drop on Tuesday. The Dow Jones, Nasdaq, even though the main stock in SQQQ is the stock index, everything is lower than a lot of pro and the investor expect, because the economy data went down so much. And especially I checked the economy data from the U.S. yesterday. It's become negative. It dropped to 20-some under Germany. This is ridiculous. This is unacceptable. We've never seen the U.S. economy drop down to 20-some, 30, behind many different countries out there. So based on Beijing AP, so the global stock is get affected by Federal Reserve for the inflation. And London, Frankfurt open higher, Tokyo and Sydney gain while Shanghai declines. Oil price rose. So what does that mean? Like, because like when the oil price went up, everything kind of get affected and went down. When the oil price is a little lower and we get pretty good looking for everywhere. So what do you think about this map? Is map being shown Tesla stock? That means we have to buy it today. And every order $20 difference. So why that's big range like that? Because I don't have to report all the bases like beta, annual income, share, and cap, those stuff. But right now we get something else. So the moderate. So make sure it's moderate. We can get it's 3 months is 7, moderate 2 months 8, moderate is 1 month is 10, and moderate for today is 12. And moderate is the most moderate higher, the percent is higher. That means we can buy it much higher. The moderate I'm talking about is more buying moderate, not. Okay, today is strong buy. Okay, strong buy and moderate buy, we can combine together, or better just keep separately. For the dark green is strong buy. That's the main thing we focus around. And the light green, just 2, we can combine them together, is 14. Compare with hold and sell, and lot price 770 some. And this morning it already go to 790 some. It's hit to 800 very soon. So anyway, and this is one of the stock. Something. I will put the name on that later. But based on this stock, it's zigzag something, and use that calculation what you can learn before, and all my viewers, you know what I'm talking about. Like knowledge is powerful. And so now we're talking about a little dot, the red dot, and the green dot B down there. That we can sell, and when we buy it, each square layers. That's where we buy it from. Each square layer, because one square layer gets around $1. And this one is going to be get 5 strong buy only. Very, very good recommendation from the system as soon as possible. When we get it today, set them up when you have time. Do everything what we can do right now. Otherwise, it's been too late. Because getting up like over 560 some percent in those 5 years, and it's really stable stock. And why do I have to say that? Because this is dermatology bio companies. And when we buy it, they lower than 14.7. And of course, it's right now 15.2. So even though they have to hit to, your next order is going to be 14.1, 13.6, and we sell it is 15.72 or 15.647 for today. That's pretty good. You make like 30 cent profit, or 16 maximum. That's okay. When the market, the system kind of report their numbers, that's analyze tech number. Its technology number is different, but anyway, get your numbers out. And 100% strong buy from Robinhood, what they recommend, and there it keep reporting is much higher, but still in negative. But anyway, Remember, dermatology make pretty good money, and dermatology product is pretty well too. So anyway, that's really high cap, and look it up for this one for today. Have a good day and